If you want to record phone calls on a Motorola Edge 70, then the first thing that you can do is simply check if you have a built-in option, which you can do by being on a call. So once you are on a call, if you have the call menu opened, then you can try to find the recording button. It can be positioned somewhere over here in the call menu. It might be hidden in the more section, but there is a chance that you will not find it at all. So this is especially the case for many countries in Europe. So if you cannot find this option, then in that case you will have to use a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. So to do that, of course, we're gonna go to the Play Store and we can simply search for Call Recorder, something like that. There we go. And in here we have many different apps that of course we can try to use. In my case, I'm gonna show you how to set up this app over here. So let me install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up and how it works more or less, but feel free to try any other app. If this one doesn't work for you or if you don't like it, you know, just try any other app. They are usually pretty similar and they are pretty easy to set up. So once we open the app, we're gonna go next over here and we need to grant some permissions. So let's do this. We can choose while using the app. Let's allow over here everything so that the app can actually work just fine. We can disable power optimization, so let's tap on OK and let's choose allow. We don't have to agree to geotagging and press OK, got it. You might see this premium offer, but we can close it by tapping on X over here in the upper left corner. And you might also want to install this additional helper. This is an additional app that is used to help the main app work properly. So we're gonna tap on install helper over here. You will be redirected to a page where we can download the helper. We're gonna use download helper APK and we need to download the app. Now in this case, this is an unknown app because it is from unknown source for the phone. So you will have to grant the permission for the browser to install unknown apps. If you try to open the APK file, if you try to install it, you will see this information that the unknown app was blocked or something like that, but you will have the option to go to the proper settings where you can just enable the browser to let it install unknown apps. Alright, so once we open the helper, we have to set it up as well. So let's go next, grant permissions. There we go. Alright, then we're gonna go to accessibility. You want to go to accessibility and you want to tap on Cube ACR app connector, even though it is grayed out. You want to select it, you want to tap on it, and you will see this message. App was denied access, that's good. You want to close it and then go back to the app. Over here now we're gonna go to apps. And in here we need to find the helper. So search for Cube ACR helper, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose allow restricted settings and verify yourself. We're gonna go back after that. And once again go to accessibility, and this time you should be able to select the app connector and we need to enable it and press allow. Press OK in order to disable power optimization, press allow, and there we go. Now we can open the main app. Alright, so before we move on, what you can also do in the main app is you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and we need to make sure that recording is enabled. And over here we can also find some additional settings that you might want to check, like for example you can go to recording settings in order to find out some other stuff that might be quite useful. But in order to start recording, the app actually starts recording automatically. So if someone calls you and you answer the call, then after a couple of seconds you should be able to have a notification from the app that will simply tell you that the app is recording, that the automatic call recording is in progress. So as you can see over here, the recording is on, the helper is also active, and we record our call. And keep in mind, there might be some issues with the recording if you don't use the loudspeaker. I mean, the quality might be bad, you might not be able to hear the other person on the recording. If that's the case, then you probably want to use the loudspeaker to be able to properly record these phone calls. So this is a little drawback, but we can work around it by using the loudspeaker if possible, of course. And that's pretty much it. Of course, your recordings can be found in the app afterwards, so you can play these recordings. You can also tap on these three dots in order to find some other options. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.